Greetings everyone. Visualize a world where your devices can instantly respond to your needs. No more delays, no lag, just seamless real-time performance. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's exactly where we are heading. Thanks to edge computing, the next wave of internet. In today's video, we are diving into what actually the edge computing is, why it's so important, and how it's going to transform everything from smartphones to self-driving cars. Let's get started. Alright, so what is edge computing? In simple terms, it's all about processing data closer to where it's being generated. Instead of sending everything to some far-off cloud server, edge computing brings the power closer to your devices. Whether it's your phone, a smartwatch, or even an autonomous vehicle. Think of it like this. In traditional cloud computing, data has to travel to a central server, sometimes hundreds or even thousands of miles away. With edge computing, the processing happens right at the edge of the network, super close where the data is created. This cuts down on latency and making everything faster or efficient. For things like streaming 4K videos or self-driving cars, milliseconds really matter. By keeping that data local, edge computing eliminates the lag, giving you lightning fast performance. So why is edge computing being called the next wave of internet? It's simple, because our world is generating more data than ever before. We are talking crazy amounts. And while the cloud is great, it's starting to show its limits. By 2025, we'll be generating over 175 zettabytes of data every year. That's a huge number. It's hard to wrap up your head around. And with 75 billion IoT devices expected by then, traditional cloud systems just can't keep up with the demands for the real-time processing. Edge computing solves that problem by distributing data processing across different devices and local servers, taking the load off those central cloud servers. Here's the cool part. By 2025, 75% of enterprise data is expected to be processed at edge. That's a massive shift in how we handle data.
Okay, so let's talk about real-world applications. Edge computing is already transforming industries like healthcare, manufacturing, retail, and telecom. In healthcare, edge computing allows wearables and medical devices to process data instantly, flagging emergencies in real time, literally saving lives. In manufacturing, companies like General Electric are using edge computing to predict machine failures before they happen, reducing downtime and saving millions of dollars. And with the rise of 5G networks, edge computing is pairing up with ultra-fast speeds to enable incredible experiences. Think augmented reality, virtual reality, and even real-time gaming with virtually zero lags. Imagine playing VR games without a single delay, or a self-driving cars making life or death decision instantly, all thanks to edge computing. Of course, no technology is without its challenges. Security is a big concern. With data being processed across so many different devices, keeping it secure can be tricky. And with so many manufacturers involved, making sure all these devices can talk to each other can get complicated. But the potential far outweighs the challenges. Experts believe that edge computing and the cloud won't compete. They'll complement each other. The cloud will handle long-term data storage and big picture processing, while edge computing takes care of the real-time and low latency tasks.
With AI and machine learning becoming more integrated, we are going to see even faster and smarter systems. Imagine smart cities, personalized healthcare, and autonomous robots, all powered by edge computing. So there you have it. Edge computing is not just an upgrade. It's a next wave of internet. From real-time healthcare diagnostics to immersive virtual reality experiences, edge computing is shaping the future in ways we can barely imagine. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.